Searching using an image, also known as reverse image search, is a useful tool that allows you to find similar or related images by using an existing image as the search query. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to perform a reverse image search with advanced detail. 1. Gather the image you want to search for. This can be an image you have saved on your computer, or an image you found online. 2. Open a browser and go to a search engine that supports reverse image search, such as Google Images, Bing Image Search, or TinEye. 3. On Google Images, click on the camera icon in the search bar, and then select Upload an image and choose the image you want to search for. On Bing Image Search, click on the camera icon in the search bar and select Upload an image or drag and drop the image into the search bar. On TinEye, click on the Upload an image button and select the image you want to search for. 4. Once the image is uploaded, the search engine will process it and display a list of similar or related images. 5. Review the results, and click on any of the images to see more information about that image. 6. As an advanced step, you could use some of the browser extensions that allow you to perform a reverse image search by simply right-clicking on an image and selecting Search Image on Google or Search Image on TinEye. 7. As another advanced step, some search engines like Google allow you to paste image URL directly in the search bar, and then click on the Search by Image button. It will redirect you to the result page. Reverse image search is a powerful tool that can help you find the source of an image, find similar images, and track down image-based plagiarism. It can be helpful in various fields, like tracking down copyright infringement, identifying fake images, or finding the original source of an image.